Today I'm showing you step by step how to do upload default with TubeBuddy, and this is a free plugin that you can use. If you want to download TubeBuddy, I will have it down below in the description box. And first thing we're going to do is go to our YouTube studio. So go to the upper right hand corner to studio. Then what we're going to do is go down to settings down here in the lower bottom, and then upload default. So this is a place that you can have your upload default so that every single time you input a new video to upload, this default is already there, so you don't have to retype the description box, the tags, all of that. But TubeBuddy does it a step further, where TubeBuddy, you can actually create multiple different upload defaults depending on the type of video. So if you do different types of videos, like say you do tutorial videos, say you do product review videos, say you do recipe videos or how to make money videos, you can have different categories. So what we're going to do is go down to this little box down here where you see the TubeBuddy logo, upload defaults, and new. So we're going to click on this, and this we're going to named how to make more money, because this is a topic that I do on my channel all the time on Kelly Ann Smith. Then you can do a title if you are doing a typical review all the time, or you have a default that you have in the beginning. So maybe it is Kelly's Reviews, and then you have the topic of water bottle, or let's just do Yeti 20 ounce. So say you want to do that, and so you have something every single time, then you could do Yeti or Kelly Reviews, and then this you would fill in for each one. I personally leave the title blank. So for the description, I personally in every single video have my disclosure, my affiliate disclosure, my social tags, my social media accounts, different things like that. But depending on what topic I'm talking about, I usually like to put related videos. So if I'm talking about how to make more money, I want to put other videos on how to make more money. If I'm doing product reviews, I may put my Amazon account, my Amazon shopping page, or I may put other videos that you may find helpful. Or if I'm doing tutorials, here's my other tutorials. If you like this tutorial, you'll probably like these other tutorials as well. So that's why this is awesome that you can do those here. So let me bring it up. So this is what it would look like for me. So videos mentioned, how to build multiple streams of income, different video ideas here. And then I have my social links and then my disclosure down here. So that's awesome there. Then let's look here. So visibility. So I personally do mine all as unlisted to start, because I want to add my end screens. I want to tweak the description. I want to do different things. I don't want it just to go public immediately, because I want to tweak those things. So I personally do a default as unlisted, and then you can add tags. So tags, I always do ones like how to make more money, how to make money online, making money tips, how to grow your income. So say I do these default tags, then next time I go to upload a video, these are automatically going to be here, which is great. And you can add more, you can add up to 500 characters. But I personally like to do the hot ones that are going to apply to everything in that category. And then with the other tags, I get more specific on that video. So say I'm doing how to make money from home, then I'm going to add other videos of how to make money from home, how to make money from your couch, how to make money from your bed, online business ideas from home, different things like that. Then let's go up to the top. So then we can go to advanced settings. So we have standard YouTube license, category. I usually do people and blogs, caption certification. So this has never aired on television. Then you can do allow comments, all of this. And then I'm going to hit save. So new profile was successfully created. Okay. So now we can delete that one, or we can do another one. So let's say we want to do, now you want to stay within your niche, but just to give you different examples, what if we do recipes? Then okay, profile was created. So then let's go to recipes. Now this is automatically going to be in here as well, but these videos don't apply. So for this one, I'm just going to do it blank, and then I'm going to take these tags out, and put easy recipes, recipes with 3 ingredients. Cook with me. So those are my tags that I want to do for this one. So then I'm going to go to save. Successfully saved. Okay, so now I'm going to save this, and we can X out of this, out of the settings. Okay, so now let's go back to my dashboard and let's upload a video. So we are going to upload video, and then let me drag one in here as a test one. Okay, so the title automatically comes from if you have it pre-populated, or you can do this as well, upload defaults. So I can switch it to how to make money and apply. So now we have to do 5 easy ways to make money from home. And then here I can add more to the description if I want, or I can keep it like this. I would typically add more for SEO purposes, but my social links are there, my disclosures there, everything is there. I add the thumbnail, then I add the playlist, and then when I go to show more, I can see here that those tags that I had were already in there. Then I have the other tag tools as here, which I have a separate video on tags, so definitely check that video out next.